Hello student, please subscribe my channel. Here we discuss important thing. Write down, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Molecular formula given 76H6O3. This molecular formula tells us that there is benzene present and 3 oxygen is also present. We will see and when react with acetyl chloride, compound with molecular formula C9H8O3 is obtained. Okay, and molar mass is 180. Clear? Now in this way we can understand that CH3CO contains how many? CH3COCl group is containing 2 carbon. So C9 over here means only 1 mole of CH3COCl is introduced here in this case. Okay, so 1 mole of CH3COCl. Why I am saying you? I will tell you that first I have written this structure that benzene ring should be present, 1 OH should be present, then only acetylation will take place. Acetyl group will replace H of this, so H is lost from here and Cl from here, so we'll get this acetyl salicylic acid, that is called aspirin, that is also called acetoxybenzoic acid. Okay, all the information I am giving because this type of question always asked in the exam. It can ask in the comprehensive question. Okay, so every information I am giving you. So C7H6O3, first of all you have to find out the molar mass of it. It is coming to be 138, and then molar mass of in this C9H8O4 is given to you, so no need to worry about it. We have to see the difference. Here is molar mass is given 180 and molar mass of the reactant we calculated out, it is 138, difference is 42. Oh, this is very easy job. Why? Because we have to see that CH3CO group when introduced, CH3CO this whole is having 43 AMU. This is introduced and 1 H is replaced. So 1 H is replaced means 1 AMU is lost, and here 430 AMU is gained. 430 AMU gain, 1 AMU lost. So total when we are introducing CH3CO, so gain of 42 AMU. Okay, so when we will add this 42 to 138, it will be 180. So it's very easy job, no need to do any subtraction or division, because 180 means only one OH group is OH group is acetylated. Okay, so this is the correct formula. Clear? Because this reactant is having 1 OH group. Clear? But suppose they will ask how many OH group are present in product. So nil. Why? Because 1 OH group is present in the reactant. So it is replaced by CH3CO group. So there will be, and this COOH group, this is carbon.